Manuel, how proud are you of your players? Obviously, Chelsea won the title earlier in the afternoon, but you've pretty much secured the top four now. So.
Well, very happy because I think that we play well against a difficult team, a team that plays a very attractive football, that beat Chelsea, that is the champion of this year with the best defenders. The Chelsea concedes 5 goals here, so congratulations to Mauricio Pochettino, to his players, because they play an attractive football. We also do it. That's why I think that we just saw an amusement game, and I just think that the fans really enjoyed.
Manuel, what more can you say about Sergio? It was a fantastic finish for the goal.
Yes, I think that Sergio played very well. He scored that goal. He had 2 more clear chances, one that he missed in a very beautiful play also, and the penalty at the beginning of the game. But I think that he's playing well because he's playing now every game, not as last year or at the beginning of this year that he has so many injuries that he always has to stop. I think for a player it's very important to play games in a row.
And Joe Hart, some key saves again for you near the end.
I think that Joe made an important, a beautiful save. I think that also Lloris do it. I think that both teams have another chance to score. Was not just that we scored 1 goal and we didn't have any more chances. We had a lot of chances, same as Tottenham. That's why I repeated in a beautiful, close and a difficult game. I am very happy with the spirit and the concentration and the intensity that our team played.